Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off password protected sharing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you are trying to access shared files, you can turn this off between different computers on your network. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best results should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to Category View, and then select Network and Internet. Then select Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath All Networks and expand it. And you want to set it to turn off public folder sharing. This is the option that you would use to turn it off. Conversely, if you want to turn it on, you would toggle it to the turn on position. You would select the turn on option. And then once you made your selection, you would select Save Changes, assuming you had to make changes. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.